have to run it up here through the top. I'm noticing now. As long as you got the clearance, right? You need the clearance for your sticks, so this one's gonna need a little bit. There. Look at that. Barely even see it. Well, it's a good thing I saw that when I did. This wire here would have definitely gotten caught and ripped. Try to get a little bit of slack. There we go. There we are. Looking better. Pretty nifty little kit though. I think that the guy did a not bad job on them at least. There we go. That's looking good. Alright, let's start with this front piece here. We'll just size this on. I think that those thumbsticks are actually meant for a PlayStation, but we're not gonna let that stop us. I want a cool controller that's all flashy and got a bunch of lights and stuff, so how do we do that? We're gonna continue on. We need to find let's try a bit of solder. Flux. I'm just gonna cut a little piece of solder. I don't need a whole lot. Alright, here we go. No going back now. I hope this works. Hold nerve. fucking soldering iron right to my face, eh? See how that feels. You'll learn quick not to do that if you ever do. Oh no! Oh, I had it in there pretty good, and then I shouldn't have heated it up again. Tuck it in right here behind the motor, the vibrate motor, should work just fine. Now this one is just going to be like my own personal one, so I don't really care what it turns out to look like. I mean, I do want it to look somewhat appealing, so I'm not going to do a shit job on it, but I am kind of just doing a practice run here. I did order some other ones, some other actual like limited edition or special edition controllers that I'm gonna sell after I do this, and yeah, basically we're gonna see how this one works out first before I go ahead and start doing a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not sure how well it's going to fit right there, but I can also tilt that down a little. Alright. My cheap, shitty controller is just about done. Alright, okay. Alright. I'm gonna unplug my soldering iron so I don't fucking melt anything else. It looks like where I got it there, it's not even, it's gonna be hidden. Because I'm sneaky like that. Okay. get it here so you can see. I'm just trying to tuck these wires in. Try to keep it all condensed to at least one little spot there. And hopefully when I got this together, it shouldn't even look like it has had anything done to it. Alright. Let's see. Oh. It's gonna look cool, but it's not gonna be perfect. Like I said, it's mine. I don't really give a shit when it's mine. If it's somebody else's, obviously, I'm gonna take a little bit more care with it. But if it works, that's the test. That's the ultimate test. If it works, then we're fucking golden. Oh shit, nope, that. Like I said, not gonna be perfect. Next time I go to do it, I will strip it down completely so it's not risking anything like that. I actually have to drum a little spot. There we go. It's sitting in there a little bit better. Perfect, that's all I needed. Just wanted to sit in. Basically, I just gotta get this thing together and then I'll test it. If it works, then we're gonna have some real fun. Because if it works, then we're gonna play with these a bunch. You'll see some pretty neat ones that I got planned anyway. Whoa. Could probably just test it right now. That's what we'll do. Oh. Customer. Yeah, I don't think these sticks are gonna actually work. I think that's what's kind of causing this. I think. very worst, I just screwed up my controller. I don't think I did though. I think it's gonna work, but the sticks aren't really fitting that great from my observations. Just work. That would be cool. Ah, fighting with screws today. Oops, that doesn't sound very healthy. A little bit tight. Well, that didn't turn out too bad. Alright, here comes the test. Oh, I have batteries right here. Look at that. Negative. I hope it didn't tear anything apart when I put it back together. Oh, look at that. It works. Maybe it needs to connect to my Xbox actually, but it worked. Here, we're gonna try that. Oh, cool. Look at that. Dope. Alright, sweet. Now, these are supposed to work by, see how it's when you shake it and it switches the color. Oh, cool. I'm stoked. See, there's a purple one to match my purple controller. That's probably as close as a purple. Red. Haha. Cool. Now, I just need to test to see if it will work with my Xbox when I get home. Cool. And I'm sure it will because my controller works. Haha. Check that out. Well, I hope you guys like that. Here, we'll might as well get it all put together nice. Oh, now I'm excited. Oh, yeah. So that means that it was a successful buy to get those. And I know where to put it for my power source. So I'm not as half silly as I think I am. Boom. Disco party. Now when you're playing, it should just, yeah, stay solid whatever color you pick. See, there's a couple little parts that I damaged, but like I was saying, this one's mine, so it doesn't matter. I can wreck it if I want. But the limited edition ones that I have, when I do them, you'll see I'll do it a lot differently and it'll look a lot nicer. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm glad that was successful. But yeah, we're gonna let it go for now, and then pretty soon here you guys will see a little bit more tricks from my shop, and enjoy a couple more videos of different little projects that I got on the go. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Next one will be even better. Have a good day, guys.